Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. So you're probably wondering, what the heck am I doing so far away from Calabria? Well, as promised, we have come up to Tuscany because we have a beautiful architect up here, and she knows everybody and she knows all of the engineers and everything else. And she has been giving us the grand tour of Tuscany and the areas where she thinks are the best values for your property dollar. Of course, as you know, if you followed the channel at all, when you look in the big cities that are very famous, you pay top dollar for some beautiful properties, and they're beautiful properties, there's no question about it. But the bottom line is Italy is huge and Tuscany is massive. And we've been through some little towns, particularly we're in Vagliano today, and some of them, there are great opportunities. In fact, Vagliano now has all kinds of houses where people have just sort of left and they're not abandoned. Well, yeah, they are abandoned. And you can pick them up for next to nothing. She can do the architectural projects and she knows the engineers in the area. So you have a place where you can buy a property for not very much money, get all the beauty of Montepulciano and the area around in the Chianti region. I mean, we are right close to Montepulciano. In fact, we're heading there next. But like I said, if you go into Montepulciano and want to buy a property, you're going to pay top dollar. But we're just a little bit out of Montepulciano, and you can get things for a song. Get them, renovate them. You can have your little hideaway here in Tuscany. And there's so many places. Yesterday we were up and around the Fiesole area. Fiesole, very expensive, but the two towns we saw, very affordable. Actually, I saw stuff that was kind of on par with the Calabrian prices. So you have opportunities. Now, another thing about Lorella is that she has been running around taking pictures of all of these for sale signs here because she wants to call and get the prices and find out. We anticipate that you guys are all going to be calling us going, we want properties in Tuscany too. So she's going to be ready with all the information that you need. What are the prices like here? What are the renovations going to be? All kinds of things that you want to know for finding your dream home here in Tuscany. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. We got a lot coming, and I'll tell you something. I'm amazed. I'm amazed at the opportunities that we are able to give you now, because if you came over to Italy and you tried to buy a property from the owner and you didn't speak Italian and you didn't know the architects and you didn't know the builders and you didn't know the purchase process, you could get yourself into a lot of trouble and the stress would be overwhelming. But with Super Savvy Travelers, with all of our teams and networks, and all of our advisors and things like that, you can just parachute in and have all the super people that we know and trust that you can count on to get things done the way you want to get them done and help you avoid falling into the many traps that you can fall into when buying a property in Italy. So you guys, this is the start of something big. I can tell you that. It's a gorgeous day. We're going to Montepulciano. Stay tuned.